Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette, where you can find easy, quick, and healthy home-cooked recipe. And today I will share another healthy recipe that fits to your budget: oven-grilled fish. This recipe is quick and easy. In a baking pan with aluminum foil, put 2 pieces of cut eggplant, 4 pieces of whole cherry tomato, add 4 cloves of garlic, a handful of black olives, 1 piece of red onion, which is cut and chopped, some pieces of red bell pepper and green bell pepper, 1 spring onion, and 4 pieces of mushrooms cut and sliced. Write in the comment which country you are watching my video. Sprinkle some pepper, basil, parsley, and vegetable flavor. Your feedback helps us grow. Tell us what you would like to see next. What are your views? Tell us in the comment. Have 3 pieces of fish fillet. Sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. Flip it over and do on same side. Hit the like button if you are ready for more easy, healthy home-cooked recipes. This recipe is made for 3 serving. If you need to serve more, then adjust the ingredients. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always be updated. Now put the fish over the vegetables and cover with aluminum foil. Put inside a preheat oven with 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. My friend, making video is not easy. If you think that this video is helpful to you, then give me a like or comment and share it to your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal. And I hope to see you again for my next video.